So hi and hello, welcome to our channel named AlgoXploration. My name is Samir. Now in today's lecture we are going to see how to print all the subarrays from the given array. Now let's see what actually the subarray means. Subarray is nothing but a part of an array. Okay, and what is actually an array? Here, as per the definition, we can see that array is nothing but a collection of data or element of same type that is stored in contiguous memory location or continuous fashion. Now, if you are talking about the subarray, that is nothing but a part of an array. Now we have to select an element in a contiguous fashion, right? So this can be a subarray, right? 7, 3, 2, or 3 to 5 can also be a subarray because we are selecting in a continuous fashion. 7, 3, 2, 5, 4 can also be a subarray. Now they want in a continuous way. So a single element can also be a subarray. So 1 can be a subarray, 7, 3, 2, 5, and 4. Similarly, the whole array can also be said as a subarray, right? So subarray is nothing but part of array in continuous form. Also, a single element can also be a subarray. And a whole array can also be a subarray. Okay, now let's see what are the different subarrays of this array. So if we see the original subarray, 1 can be a subarray, 1 7 can also be a subarray, 1 7 3, 1 7 3 2, 1 7 3 2 5, 1 7 3 2 5 4. Also 7 can be a subarray, 7 3 can also be a subarray, 7 3 2, 7 3 5, 7 3 4, right? 3 then 3 2, 3 5, 3 5 4, 3 2 5 4, 2 2 5, 2 5 4, 5 5 4, and at last 4. This can be a subarray. Now if someone asks you that how many different subarrays can be formed when the length is n. But before that, let's say if we have an array which contains only 3 elements, 1, 2, and 3. Let's see if we are starting from 0th element, then 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, right? So with this, 3 subarrays are formed. If we are starting from first index, then 2 and 2, 3. So 2 subarrays are formed. Now if you want to start from index 2, that will be only 1, right? So 3 plus 2 plus 1, 3, 2, and then 1. So total number of subarrays are 6, right? Now we can see that if you are starting from 0th index, then 3 subarrays are formed. If you are starting from 1 index, then 2 subarrays are formed. If you are starting from 2 index, then only 1 subarray is formed. Now if we do the summation, it will be 6. That is nothing but 3 into 4 by 2. That is 6. This is nothing but n into n plus 1 by 2. The summation formula. Now if we take the original subarray, this subarray, Now here the total elements are 6. So according to the formula, 6 into 7 by 2, that will be 21. So 21 different subarrays can be formed of this array. Let's see. Now this subarray are starting from a of 0. These subarrays are starting from a of 1. This from a of 2, this from a of 3, and this from a of 4, and this from a of 5, right? So if you see that the total subarrays, if they are starting from a of 0 are 6, then here are 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If we sum up all this, it will be 21. So if someone asks you that we have to find the total number of subarrays when the array length is n, then this will be a formula, n into n plus 1 by 2. Now let's see that how we can print all these subarrays. Now what we will be doing, we will be having two variables, s and e, that is start and end. Now let's say if the start is, sorry, if the end is year, right? So what we will be doing, we will be iterating from s to e. So we will be getting 1, 7, 3, 2. Similarly, let's see if my end was here, then only single element we will be getting, that is 1. If my end is here, then 1 and 7. 1 and 7 we will be getting. If the end is here, then 1, 3, 1, 3 and 7. Sorry, 1, 7, 3. If my end, let's say, is here, then the subarray we will be getting is 173254. Now we have to move this start forward, right? So at this point, my start is located at first index and my end is located at index 5, right? So we will be having this subarray, right? So the pseudocode will look like this. For initially, my start will be running from 0. It will be going till n. Then we will be having the another variable, that is e, in which it will be starting from start only, always, and it will be going till n. Now here we have to iterate it again from start to end. So for k will be starting from s and it will be gone till e, and simply print a of k. That's it, right? Now this for loop will end, and here we will have the print line or print in new line. And that's it. In this way, we will be printing all the subarrays. I hope you got this pseudocode. If you didn't understand, I'll advise you to please dry run this pseudocode. Okay. Now, if let's see what will be the time complexity of this code. Now we can see that there are 3 for loops. Each of them are actually going from 0 to n. So due to that, it will be order of n cube. And what about the space complexity? Since we are just printing the data, therefore the time complexity will be order of 1. But let me tell you that we have started a series on DSA problem. If you know the fundamentals of DSA but getting stuck while solving the DSA problem, this series will be very helpful for you. If you are preparing for placement and interviews, you can visit today's playlist. The link is in the description box. Thank you.